Morning guys, I literally forgot my camera to get to the shoot. We are starting today at 5 in the morning, actually like 4 in the morning. We're doing a shoot of 2 fun Porsches from PPC, both a Cayman and a Boxster. So we're gonna be shooting really good friends of ours. Been planning this thing for a little bit now, so I'm excited to make it finally happen. Hello, good morning. Our whole team is getting set up right now. I have Juan down there, they're taking pictures. Tiffany's here, Paul, Bryant, we're all here getting set up, getting ready to go. We're waiting for one more car and then we will be totally ready. So I'm super excited. Like I said, it's like only 5 in the morning, so this is, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. But this is gonna be cool. I love Boxsters, so that's gonna be amazing. Damn, dude. Low-key, they look so good because they're both the same color.
And I'm going inside there?
Yes.
Yeah, under the underpass.
I remember now. Yes. Okay. I hope they make it.
It'll be fine. This one's not bad.
Should be okay.
Okay, none of my hair are in focus.
Where do you want me and where?
Go all the way down to the bottom. And Bryant and Juan, I'm gonna need you both. What do you need? We're gonna exit the vehicle. Alright, so I'm gonna need my audio set too. Juan, you ready? Yep.
Radio check, everyone ready? Yep, we're here.
Good shot, good shot. Go ahead, come back. Good shot, good shot. Go ahead, come back.
Here, we're gonna make a left. Wait. How'd that work?
That was crazy. Dude, they're so fast. Can't believe we just passed over Congress like no big deal. That was nice. Hell yeah. Oh man, he almost ate it too.
Jeez. ran into the bike.
It was a ramp.
Yeah, good thing you didn't go on that one.
Would have been the Fast and Furious, man. Jumping on shit.
Ejectocito.
That's some video of me.
Video on YouTube.
What's the name of?
Our YouTube is DMR King. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, it does.
Follow me through here. You guys are going to stop inside this cul-de-sac here. I'm going to lead out the other end. We're going to try to grab some pictures right here at the top of this cul-de-sac.
Alright, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
Someone unclip me, please.
Jump, jump, jump. Yeah, somebody else.
Thank you. Okay, let's go. Make it happen, boys.
Hey, I'm gonna pull up here in the front here.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
No, you do your thing.
I need my Damn, he came up fast as hell too. Okay.
Videos for whenever we're good, okay?
Yeah. Never fails.
Hey, easy with the bubble.
We're being watched. Sorry.
That was amazing.
That was good. That was really good. That was really good. We'll show you everything at Calibre. We're gonna pick up my car and go there.
Okay.
So thank you guys. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Girl, that's a wrap. Let's go home. Let's go home. Hey, Calibre. Calibre.
You guys need to go back up.
So I can take my vest off.
I'm off the clock.
We can return him back to the home. Because
Where'd it go?
just right on the handle. As we were hanging out the window, he kept. I was like, he's got to go.
It's so crazy because like literally there was no one around. It was completely empty. And then suddenly everyone was awake. Everyone kept stopping us too. They're like, what are you guys filming?
Yeah,
I got that guy on camera.
Did you?
Asking, yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Now we go to Calibre.
I just need
amazing Porsche weekend, and it's still not over because we have to do it again tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yay! That was it. It is now 1:30 and I'm exhausted. It was a fantastic day. I had absolutely no complaints, and I really hope that some of the GoPro footage kind of saves the vlog a little bit. And if you haven't seen the feature, I'm sure I released the feature first, and that will probably be here or in the description box below. Subscribe, like, and comment, because we are trying to make this our full-time gig. Like, we really want to be doing this all the time, making cool content for you guys, making cool content for other drivers, not just in Chicago, but who knows if we're gonna get flown out or do something crazy. Like, you just never know. Tomorrow is actually Zuppengraf, so that is gonna be up in Wisconsin, so we're gonna be ending the day early because we have to drive really far north. I hope you guys enjoy it, but that's it for me for today. Thank you to my team, thank you to Gerald, thank you to Rainer, thank you to Pinoy, Porsche, Krell, PPC. We love and represent you guys all the time. And until next time, see you on the other side.
I just need